Hello friends, today we will discuss a question asked in the previous GATE examination. This particular question has been asked from the subject Industrial Engineering and the name of the chapter is Linear Programming. So this particular question has been asked from the topic Graphical Method. So let's have a look at the question. So the minimum value of 3x plus 5y such that, so they have given the objective function. So they are asking us to minimize that objective function which is 3x plus 5y. Now they are given the constraints for this objective function. So the constraints are 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15, 4x plus 9y less than or equal to 8, 13x plus 2y less than or equal to 2, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Now for this particular objective function subjected to the constraints, we have to find the minimum value. So this particular question is from graphical method. So we can solve this particular question using graphical method because there are only two variables are given, right? So which are x and y. Now this question is having two approaches. Okay. So first approach we will just do this conventional graphical method and we will try to find the answer from this conventional graphical method. So second one is a shortcut. Okay. So which you can do by just looking at the question, right? So let's do the conventional approach first. Okay, so this is the given data of the question. So they have given an objective function and they are given the constraints. Now to plot this with the graphical method, first of all we have to find the points, right? So to plot this straight line, we need at least 2 points, and for the remaining constraints also at least 2 points we need to plot a straight line, right? So let's plot them in the graphical method. So this is the particular graph. Now from here we have to find at least 2 points to plot this straight line in this particular graph. Now say for example for this particular constraint, put x equal to 0, your y will be 3. Now here put y equal to 0, your x will be 5. Right? Now we got 2 points for this particular straight line equation or inequality equation. Now we can plot this straight line equation in this particular graph and then we can identify the region which is satisfied by 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15. Okay. So similarly for the next two constraints also we have to do the same thing. So put x equal to 0, your y will be 8 by 9. Put y equal to 0, your x will be 2. Now again put x equal to 0, y will be 1. Put y equal to 0, your x will be 2 by 13. Right? Now we got the points here. Now we can plot these points in this particular graph. So first one is 0, 3. Say for example your 0, 3 is somewhere here. So 0, 3. Now second point is 5, 0. Say this point is 5, 0. Now join these 2 points, you will get a straight line equation. Now this is a straight line equation for 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. Now we have to identify the region which is satisfied by 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 50. Now as there is a less than or equal to type inequality here, our region will be towards the origin. Right? Now coming to the second constraint, it will be 0, 8 by 9. It may be somewhere here. 0, 8 by 9. Now this is 2, 0. This may be somewhere here. 2, 0. So this is a straight line. Again this is having an inequality of less than or equal to type. That's why our region is towards the origin, which is this one. Okay. Now the next constraint 0, 1. So 0, 1 may be somewhere here, right? And 2 by 13, 0. So maybe 2 by 13, 0 may be somewhere here, which is 2 by 13, 0. Now we got a straight line equation again like this. Okay. Now our region will be again less than or equal to type. So this will be towards the origin. right? Now our feasible region is this one. Okay. Now to find the maximum value or minimum value, in this particular question they have asked us to find the minimum value. So to find the minimum value, we have to evaluate this feasible region along the corner points with respect to this objective function. So to do that, we have to know the corner points of this particular feasible region. Okay. So this, for getting this point, we have to solve the two equations, which are these two equations, right? So if you solve these two equations, you will get this point. So this point is given by so after solving the two equations, you will get this point as 2 by 109 and 96 by 109. Now what we have to do, we have to evaluate these particular points at the z value. So now z at 0, 0 will be 0. Now z point at 0, 8 by 9, which is this point, is given by 40 by 90. So now at this particular point, your z value will be 486 by 109. Now again the last point is this one, z at 2 by 13, 0. This will be 6 by 13. Right? Now what they are asking in the question? They are asking us to find the minimum value of the objective function. So your minimum value is 0. So this is your minimum value, right? Which is asked in the question. Now, so this is just a conventional approach for this particular question which we have discussed till now. Now, just by looking at the question, you can solve this question without, you can answer this question without solving this question actually. So how to do that? So if you look at this particular question, okay, so this is a minimization question with less than or equal to type constraints, right? So if you look at the objective function, it is a minimization question subjected to less than or equal to type constraints. So now whenever there is a question of minimization with less than or equal to type constraints, your feasible region you will get always towards the origin. Is it okay? So minimization function with less than or equal to type constraints. So your feasible region you will get always towards the origin. When your feasible region is always towards the origin, you will get the answer as 0, 0, which is this point. Now again you should be careful while looking at the question. So no need to worry about the constraints. So constraints are all less than or equal to type. So we will get the feasible region towards the origin, right? Now look at the objective function. Objective function also, it is 3x plus 5y. Now when there is only plus symbol between these two, this shortcut will work. Otherwise this shortcut will not work, because if there is 3x minus 5y, then you will get a negative value of your objective function. So which will be minimum. Okay. So now you have to observe. Now here there is a plus symbol. It is a minimization problem. Now all the constraints are of less than or equal to type. We can directly say by looking at the question that the answer will be 0, because your feasible region will be always towards the origin if you have less than or equal type of constraints. Okay. So now no need to follow this conventional approach. Okay. Just by looking at the question, you can say that the answer for this particular question is 0. Okay. So if it was a maximization problem, then we have to look at this feasible region. As it is a minimization problem and you are having plus symbol here and all the constraints are of less than or equal to type, we can easily say by looking at the question, this is having a minimum value of 0, which will be occurring at this particular point, which is our origin. Okay. So thank you.